In Houston, a car-reliant city, door dings and minor dents are common due to busy streets, limited parking, and hailstorms. These imperfections, though minor, can lead to rust, paint damage, and reduced resale value if ignored. Professional repair is essential to restore appearance, prevent further issues, and maintain vehicle value. PDR cheaply fixes minor, unpainted dents, keeping the factory finish, while traditional repair for larger, painted damage involves sanding, filling, repainting, costing more. Choose a repair shop with PDR expertise and technicians certified by organizations like Vail Training Solutions or ICAR. Check reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp for consistent high ratings and detailed feedback on service quality and professionalism. Ensure the shop uses professional-grade tools such as LED, dent lights, and glue pulling systems. Request free estimates to compare costs and assess damage, and inquire about turnaround times, especially for same-day or mobile services. Verify warranties, as reputable shops offer lifetime guarantees on PDR. Confirm insurance compatibility for claim assistance. Mobile Dent Repair is a convenient option in Houston, offering on-site service at home or work, though it may not suit complex repairs requiring in-shop equipment. Focus on areas like West Chase, the Heights, Midtown Downtown, or Northwest Houston for reputable services. By evaluating expertise, tools, reviews, and warranties, you can select a reliable, cost-effective repair provider. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@dentworxpaintlessdentrepair.com.